They're coming back. Yep, they're coming right over.
Take them, fuck them up. Fuck that up. We sure did.
I think they would have landed.
One fucking, he got tickled. Watch him down. I seen his foot drop.
I think they would have landed. They started circling.
They were right above you. You would have taken them where I said to. They were right above you guys.
That's all you. Why is he swinging so wide? Why is he hold on.
He's still coming.
What the fuck is he doing?
He's going away now.
Why is he fucking... Why?
I don't even know where he went. I thought he was going to go in the other pond, but he's just...
He was way too far if he would have shot anyways.
Well, he was coming straight over.
Yeah.
He was going to take the shot right over us. That's what I was waiting for.
But he's coming back. He's coming back. He's coming back. Right there. Right there.
Yeah, I see him.
Hold on. Where is he at?
He's right behind the tree line.
He's
There
oh,
he
he's...
is.
He's gonna swing over. What is he doing?
He might want to go to the other pond.
I think that's what he did.
Yeah,
12 minutes?
it was going that way again. Where the fuck are they coming?
He was gonna come and land, but
I
he...
know, but, oh, here's two more. No, where are those?
Where?
That's crazy.
No, are they?
Well, that way out there.
Where?
I can't tell.
Where?
Straight out. It's by itself. It looks
Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah.
It's like goose.
That's a...
I can't. It's
He's trying to land.
goose or a crane.
That's a goose. His neck isn't long.
There's a goose right there. That's crane. The other one was a goose, though.
Oh, there's geese over there. Yep,
Oh,
those are
those are
geese.
geese.
Those are geese.
landing that field. Oh, fuck.
No, they're coming right over. They're landing over there.
Yeah, no.
What the fuck is over? What are they? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, they're circling over it.
They're landing.
Yeah.
What is over there? No, they're going back. What the fuck are they doing?
These birds are flying weird today. I know.
They're calling. There's geese behind us.
Fuck, is that a duck now?
That's a duck right there.
No, it's not.
Yeah, just look it out. It's fine.
There's 3 of those.
Oh, no, never mind.
Fucks.
Never mind. There's geese over there.
601.
There's geese behind us. Should we just call it now and go over there?
Give it 5 more minutes.
Alright.
That'll get 25. I'm gonna pack up like my bag though and get that ready.
Yeah.
When I go, I'm probably gonna take the cover off my kayak too. So
Yeah, that's fine. How is my phone doing?
Holy shit, look, turn around, it's cranes. I'm landing right there.
Dude, fucking dust them. Oh, I'm still recording. Whoops. They're coming. They're getting low.
Here they come.
Oh. Yeah, they're coming. They're swinging. Those 3 are coming. There's more
right here.
Here you go. Oh my god. This dumb motherfucker.
Call him. You're wasting your breath.
There's more to the right. There's more behind us, right behind us. Coming over. Yeah, behind us.
He's on a fucking string.
Who's taking them?
Oh, I'll fucking grab his ass.
Hold on. He's gonna land. You get him? Are you gonna get him?
Smoke him, Dylan. Oh, motherfucker! God damn it! Why not let him work?
What?
You fucking rang the shit out of my ear! Barely no bird! He was working. He's gonna land. One more time and he was done.
Dude,
Coming back. He ain't coming back.
I can't hear anything.
Barely huh?
Where'd he even come from?
He was on a fucking string.
Dude.
He would have landed. He would have.
Oh, they're coming right over. Here they come. Here they come.
We're letting them land.
All right. Where's
Whores. I needed a shot anyhow.
where did that one in front go?
I don't know. Fucking cocksuckers. I needed to shoot anyhow.
That one in front was right here.
You guys suck. Yeah?
Yeah, a little high.
Yeah, a little bit. We should have had that single that came in.
Yeah, let them work.
Thought about it, but fuck it. I wanted to shoot.
Whatever.
Yeah, come on out.